is the letter Q. And this is the lowercase q. Q makes the qu sound, like in the word queen. Q as in Queen Rhea.
Drag the letter Q into the bowl.
Q. Q. Q.
Great! You put the letter Q. Drag the letter W into the bowl.
W. W. W.
Great! You put the letter W. Which vehicle has the letter Q? Tap it.
Q.
Good job! Which one has the letter D? Tap it.
D.
Good thinking! Which one has the letter Q? Tap it.
Q.
Good work! Which vehicle has the letter W? Tap it.
W.
Great! Trace the lowercase letter Q. Great! You traced the letter Q. Drag the letter Q into the bowl. Great! You put the letter Q into the bowl. Drag the letter W into the bowl.
W. W. W.
Great! You put the letter W into the bowl. Which one has the letter Q? Tap it.
Q.
Great job! Which one has the letter D? Tap it.
T. D.
Awesome! Which vehicle has the letter Q? Tap it.
Q.
Cool beans! Which one has the letter W? Tap it.
W.
Keep it up! Trace the lowercase letter Q. Great! You traced the letter Q. Give the hen the hay with the letter Q. Keep up the good work. Put the hat with the letter D on the penguin. D. Nice! Put the mail with the letter Q in the mailbox. Nice work! Help the bee with the letter W. Fly to the hive.
W.
Super! Drag the letter Q to the rabbit.
Woohoo! 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 Woohoo!
Good work! You dragged the letter Q to the rabbit. Drag the letter W to the rabbit.
W. Woohoo! W. Woohoo! W. Woohoo! W. Woohoo!
Good work! You dragged the letter W to the rabbit. Trace the lowercase letter Q. Great! You traced the letter Q.
This is the letter Z. And this is the lowercase z. Z makes the Z sound. Like in the word zebra. Z as in zebra.
Drag the letter Z into the bowl.
Z. Z. Z.
Great! You put the letter Z. Drag the letter Q into the bowl.
Q. Q. Q.
Great! You put the letter Q. Which one has the letter Z? Tap it.
Z.
Super duper! Which vehicle has the letter V? Tap it.
V.
Sweet! Which vehicle has the letter Z? Tap it.
Z.
That's right. This is the letter Q. Which truck has the letter Q? Tap it.
Q.
Yay! Trace the lowercase letter Z. Great! You traced the letter Z. Give the letter Z to Rhea.
Z. Z. Z.
Super! You gave the letter Z to Rhea. Give the letter Q to Olo. Great! You gave the letter Q to Olo, who is wearing the letter Z. Tap them.
Z.
Awesome! Olo is wearing the letter Z. Who is wearing the letter V? Tap them.
V.
Super! Sandy is wearing the letter V. Who is wearing the letter Z? Tap them.
Z.
Yay! Rhea is wearing the letter Z. Who is wearing the letter Q? Tap them.
Q.
Super! Sandy is wearing the letter Q. Trace the lowercase letter Z. Great! You traced the letter Z. The apple with the letter Z on the tree.
Z.
Good job! Give the rat the cheese with the letter V.
V.
Good thinking! Give the rat the cheese with the letter Z.
Z.
Good work! Put the ball with the letter Q with the bat. Great! Drag the letter Z to the rabbit.
Z.
Woohoo!
Z.
Woohoo!
Z.
Woohoo!
Z.
Woohoo! Good work! You dragged the letter Z to the rabbit. Drag the letter Q to the rabbit. Woohoo! 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 Good work! You dragged the letter Q to the rabbit. Trace the lowercase letter Z. Great! You traced the letter Z.